yeah, I'm just gonna start the video like that. Who cares? Hi guys, today I'm doing my Ruby Roundhouse inspired look. This is it. Obviously I have the hair that is required of the look, so I guess that if you do not have red hair already, get a wig or just style your own hair. Pretty much you just curl it, but that's not what I'm here to do. I'm here to show you this makeup. I actually think I did put on a pair of false lashes too big, and I think I did the eyeliner a bit too much, so excuse that. Also, while pulling myself apart, I've got a few spots, but you know, I'm human. You get spots, you live with it, and you guys can deal with it. So also, if you would like to see my cosplay video where I show you how I made it, it's in 2 parts on this channel. If you please just go back and have a look at those before you ask any questions down below. But yeah, please enjoy this video. Yeah, follow my social media, my Instagram, because I'll be no doubt recreating some of her scenes that she did in the movie. Not dance fighting, obviously the parts that are more like myself with the that sort of stuff, you know, like, you know, when she's me. So I also will be filming a review on my second channel, which is a vlog channel, because this movie was amazing and relatable content, relatable character she is, and I love her. Karen Gillan has blown me away once again. But yeah, enjoy this tutorial and sparkle. So I've done my foundation many times in past videos, so I'm just going to tell you what I've used. I've used the Kat Von D foundation in the second lightest shade, my Collection 2000 concealer, and also my CoverGirl face powder. Next, I'm taking a highlighter, and I'm taking this in between my brows, on my forehead, and down my nose, and also a bit on my chin. Next, I'm taking a matte bronzer, and it's from this Cheat Sheet palette. Most of the things today are from this palette. It's fantastic. You should get it. And I'm taking this in my cheekbones, and then also dragging it to the center of my cheeks, because Karen, if it's possible for redheads to be sort of tanned, they've clearly decided to make her a little bit more less Casper-like in this movie in particular, which does make sense. Then I'm also contouring my nose, and I just like to contour my nose because in photos it turns out a lot like more defined. Because I'm quite pale, it can blend in. And then I'm taking just a mixture of all of the blushes and applying that to the apples of my cheeks, just to, I don't know, be less pale, I guess. And yeah. After that, I'm filling in my eyebrows with my Essence eyebrow pencil in the shade Blonde. I'm not trying to sort of sculpt my eyebrows to be a different shape, and I'm just going along with the same shape that I already have because they're quite similar. However, if yours aren't as similar as Karen Gillan's, you could totally make your arch a little bit more prominent. Next, I'm taking my MAC paint pot in Soft Ochre, and I'm priming my eyelids with it. And then I also take a matte whitish skin color shade and just really lock in the foundation on my spots on the side of my face. That's like a life hack right there. Then I take a taupe color, and I put this on my eyelids as a base on top of the eyeshadow base already. And then I use a dark brown and go along my eyelash line with a fluffy brush, and yeah, in the outer V on my eyelash line. Is that a thing? Anyway, that's what I'm doing. And then I also take it up into the outer V, and then it's time for eyeliner. And my favorite eyeliner is my Kat Von D Tattoo liquid eyeliner pen, and it's felt tip, and it's perfect for doing really defined lines. Like, it just makes eyeliner easier, and I'm not great at it, so definitely recommend this. You guys really don't understand how stressful this is, because like, not only am I doing this for the tutorial, I have a photo shoot to go to straight after this, so if I screw it up, it's gonna be screwed up for the shoot and everything will be shit. So I would have been 100 times slower if I didn't have this eyeliner, because it's really easy to put on, just saying. The next thing I'm going to do is actually apply some false lashes. I have a track record of being quite bad when it comes to putting on false eyelashes, so I'm going to put these on off camera just so I don't stuff it up, and just so I'm not late for what I have to go to after this. So I will just come back with false eyelashes on I recommend natural looking false eyelashes, but it is evident that she's got some sort of false eyelash on. If that's not your jam, you can just like curl your lashes and then like put mascara on that's lengthening, but that's pretty much okay. But yeah, I'll be back. So I put on my eyelashes off camera. Before putting them on, I actually curled and put on mascara, and here I'm just putting on eyeliner just over the part where the eyelash is stuck down to blend in a little bit more. And then I'm adding some lipstick, and this is my favorite lipstick. It's this sort of neutral pink color, which I think complements my skin tone really well. I'm not too sure what color it is, but it's by Revlon. And then I dab it in to make it a little bit less pink. Boom, makeup done. That's sure to come in a future video, don't worry. Bye. Oh my gosh, my phone's going off. That means I have to go catch a train, so I probably should wrap this up.